Taking your van adventures further means you need a quality mobile power system in place so you'll always be prepared with the comforts of home on the road. Introducing our Touring Ready Kit. The Touring Ready Kit helps you make the most of your adventures without needing to plug into the grid. It powers all of your essential electronics and appliances from fridges to induction cooktops, while charging cameras or drones as you work and play from the road. This kit takes the guesswork out of choosing the right gear for your van. With reliable power management, your remote travel will be stress-free, providing more time adventuring on your own or with family and friends. The Touring Ready Kit contains the Manager Alpha75 to charge and monitor your battery system, a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter to provide shore power to home appliances, and TVMS Rogue for total control of your entire system. This kit allows full monitoring of your system through the Display or REDVISION app thanks to its Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to focus on more important things like relaxing. The included Manager Alpha charges from 3 different sources: your vehicle, solar, and through shore power. And thanks to Green Power Priority, utilise the van's roof space to harness the sun's energy both while driving and when stationary. With this kit, we recommend 4 of our 180 watt solar panels to stay powered anywhere you go, and 200 to 400 amp hours of lithium batteries to provide power for the system. With the Touring Ready Kit, your appliances will remain powered, electronics will stay charged, and you'll have the confidence to travel without limits. Learn more about van life solutions on our website or at one of our outfitter partners. Start building your Touring Ready Kit today and get the most out of every adventure.